So I believe that you get out of the experience what you put into it. So if you aren't putting much into it, you're kind of that kid that just sits in the back of the classroom, is there for the lectures, there for the lesson, then that's what you're going to get out of it, what you expect. But if you go above and beyond to put yourself out there, whether that be involving yourself in organizations or possibly just within the department that you're involved in, research studies, just getting out there and putting your name out there, you're definitely going to get more out of the experience than you thought you would. Included in your tuition are already a lot of student support services. I suggest that you look and see what are available and utilize those to your advantage. And the fact of you're already paying for them, might as well get the most out of them to be able to help you be successful. Just ask anybody, how can I get involved in this? Look around for possible flyers for organization informations and things like that. So everything we really do in this department is geared towards hands-on learning. We definitely believe that the student gets more out of the experience when they can relate to it in different manners. So in terms of that, I definitely believe that this degree is focused on that hands-on learning and the experience through that process.